Let's see how to replace the ribbon cartridge in your dot matrix printer. First, make sure the printer is turned off to avoid any risk of injury. Open the front cover of the printer. Move the paper thickness adjustment lever to the highest position. Then, slide the print head to the center position like this. If there are any temporary tapes on the sides, remove them. Gently pull the ribbon nip away from the print head. Then lift and remove the ribbon cartridge from the slot. Now, take a new ribbon cartridge. Align the clips on both sides with the installation slots on the printer. Push it forward gently until it clicks into place. Attach the ribbon nip to the print head, making sure the ribbon is not wrinkled. Turn the ribbon cartridge knob in the direction of the arrow to tighten it. Slide the print head back and forth a few times to confirm the ribbon is properly installed. Finally, return the paper thickness adjustment lever to its original position and close the printer cover. Now your printer is ready to print clearly, just like new.